Welcome to AVC channel. Here is how to fix low-resolution photos online for free. Let's check the low-resolution photos first. Go to www.avclabs.com and navigate to the free online photo upscaler tool. Click on the Select Image button to add a low-resolution photo. Just select the Photo Enhance model. Choose Scales value from this tool. Now click on the Start button to start to increase the photo resolution online automatically. Done. You can drag the slider bar and preview the comparison image. Click on the Download button to save the photo to your computer. Check the improved high-resolution photo on your computer. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click subscribe.